Since 1935, Franklin International has been at the forefront of adhesive innovation. As a family-owned business now in its fourth generation of leadership, Franklin has built a legacy of quality, performance, and global impact. With products sold in over 60 countries, Franklin's influence spans industries from construction to furniture and everywhere in between. But when it comes to woodworking, Franklin's Titebond brand is the industry leader. Known for its reliability and strength, Titebond's glues are trusted by professionals and DIYers alike for their durability and long-lasting bonds. Whether you're crafting fine furniture or completing home projects, Titebond is the name you rely on.
The Titebond brand has always, since the inception of the company in 1935, it's meant quality. It's meant excellence. If you're using a Titebond product, you're expecting excellence, and that's what we're driven to give each and every one of our customers.
Our product is everywhere, and so it's just awesome to see as it reminds us. So that gives me pride in what I'm doing.
And what differentiates our product from the competitors, I believe it's the processes, the structure, the work procedures that we all have to make sure that are consistently put out a quality product. And I believe that is what sets us apart from everybody else.